This is my 2014 Fiat 500. My license plate light was both out, so first I replaced the one with LED. It didn't work. So second, I thought maybe it's a fuse. I couldn't find a fuse. Third, I thought maybe wiring is cut somewhere. So I checked the wiring harness. This is a connector to the license plate light. Plus side is on this wire, yellow and green light, and the black is ground. The positive side of license plate light is further left. I put test light, but it didn't work. So wiring harness goes here. This is where most people say the problems occur. As you can see, my defroster's wiring harness is cut. This yellow and green wire, this one is for license plate light positive. I poked this wire, used a test light, but test light didn't work. So this wiring harness goes through quarter panel and go to this connector. See this yellow and green. I used a test light here, didn't work. I used the test light here, didn't work. And the wiring harness goes all the way to the front. Here, I already wrapped up, but I cut the tape and tried the test lamp, yellow and green wire here to the ground. It didn't work. Key on, headlight on. It didn't work. However, key on, headlight on, and I started the engine with a new license plate LED light installed. Waited for like 10 seconds and it started. It worked fine. So I think the BCM, which is the fuse box here, maybe BCM needs to relearn the license plate light or something. I don't know. So when you are installing new LED license plate light on Fiat 500, try starting an engine and wait for a few seconds.